Thanks for stopping by. How you guys been? I've been in the middle of doing something for the 240. A bit of a prelude. As you can tell, the bumper is painted, and I finally got the Kouki Lip, along with some rear balances. And I wanted to start the year off basically with a fresh start, and ever since I got into that car accident last year, February the 4th, I'll never forget, I just wanted the 240 looking as good as it can be. I wanted to add the lip, but I couldn't put the lip on the bumper looking like that, so a bit of the good old scuff and shoot, and I think it came out great. Let's take a look. Rear Valances. Let's put the bumper and the lip on and see how it turns out, looking all together. First, we gotta put on the lights and attach the lip to the front bumper. Sick. Alright, now let's attach this new painted Kouki Lip, Hello Kai, to the bumper. My dudes, the lip on the bumper looks sick! Let me show you. Yo! I have a confession to make. I hope you guys don't hate me. I'm gonna tell you guys the truth. It's a rep lip. I'm sorry. It's a rep fiberglass lip. It was super affordable. Like I said, you give me a good deal, I'll show you a good time. And you know what? I bought it. I sent it, and I'm happy. Definitely worth it. But yeah. And then also, you're asking, how did you attach it together? Zip ties. I want to tell you guys the truth. Zip ties. Zip tie. So now we have to figure out how to put the Valances on the rear of the car. So currently, stock has a little bit of a boo-boo right here. But hopefully, with this little Valance, kind of make the car look a little bit better. I've measured exactly where I'm going to put the Valance onto the back of the car. Hopefully it looks good. We don't know. I'm pretty sure it will. But time to figure out how to attach it to the car. Looking at it, it's fiberglass. And what I was thinking that we do is put double-sided tape right here and to the edge. And right here, have zip ties connecting from the wheel well to the actual car. Let's see what happens and how it turns out. Alright guys, I finished one side. Take a look. Not bad. Please excuse this little gap. It's from that boo-boo right here, but if it wasn't there, pretend. Not bad. Zip tie. zip tie. Zip ties work. What is up, guys? So it's a new day, and all we gotta do is put on the bumper and see how the car turns out and looks all together with the bumper and the balances. Let's get to work. Well, dudes, let's look at the final project. I gotta say, damn, this lip and the Valance, chef's kiss. Take a look. How'd this rear Valance come out? Not bad. Not bad for some reps. This side definitely fit a little bit better because it didn't have the boo-boo like the other side. Let me know what you think. I have to say, I'm super happy I painted the lip. I was gonna leave it flat black, but with the bumper being gloss black and the flat black, like most people do run it, I'm happy I painted it black and it matches the bumper. And honestly, it's nuts that the Rust-Oleum primer matte black paint matched the rest of the car so well. I gotta say, I love how it came out. What do you guys think? Sheesh. It's so much lower. Yee. And then if you guys remembered, there was a little crack right here. Ended up fixing it. If you look closer, it's not perfect. But you know, first time doing body work. Yes! So this is where it was before. As you can see, there's little grooves from the last paint job. But honestly, I'm happy. The fender still needs work. The hood, I know, still needs work. But I put a little bit of acrylic black paint and it hides a lot of it. It definitely looks good on camera. Sheesh. Well guys, that's it for today's vid. Thanks for coming by and hanging out. It was a success. I mean, looks so much better than before. And honestly, I'm stoked I was able to finally do this. That Kouki needs so much more love, so much more work, and I'm stoked for all the plans I have for that car. I will be sending the RS Enthalpy tune back to Martin for a new flash, so stay tuned for that. It's time to put some work and love into the Prelude. You gotta give the Daily Slayer some maintenance, man. I'm stoked. I know I need to do an oil change and possibly make it look prettier. What do you think? Well, anyways, thanks guys. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.